Your clothes will never be so white and smell fresh until you use 2 drops of this mixture. Every woman's dream is to have white clothes, just like snow. Yes, that would be the ideal color for all white laundry in the house. But, unfortunately, the reality is different. After some time, the white clothes and laundry turn their snow-white color into pale gray. Or, they're loaded with stains. You've already tried the synthetic bleach, which probably made it even worse, right? The synthetic bleach thinned your clothes and you didn't get the desired results. You shouldn't be worried, because there are many different natural mixtures and remedies, used by our grandmothers and great-grandmothers. And sometimes, the secret recipe for clean white clothes are not expensive bleaches and other laundry products. Sometimes all you need is an old-fashioned homemade mixture. Baking soda. It may sound like an old wives' tale, but adding baking soda to your regular amount of liquid laundry detergent truly will make your colored clothing brighter and your whites whiter. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and cleanser, and it also softens the water, which means you can get away with using less detergent. It also helps keep your machine clean too. First, we're going to tell you how to use baking soda to remove the stains from your white clothes. Here's what you need to do: just soak your stained clothes in a mixture of 4 liters of water and a cup of baking soda. Note, you'll notice that this mixture will restore the garment's natural color in just a few minutes. Aspirin. Here's what you need to do: just crush 6 aspirin pills and add them to a bowl of water, then soak your stained clothes in the mixture for 30 minutes. After that, you need to wash them as usual in the end and the stain should be gone. Vinegar and lemon. Yes, you got that right, this amazing combo is also very useful for removing stains. Just mix some lemon and vinegar with your favorite detergent and wash your clothes as usual. Note, be careful, because this mixture has a strong smell. Lemon juice. Did you know that lemon juice is also an effective natural bleacher, which will whiten your clothes? It's very simple, just add a cup of lemon juice in your washing machine along with the detergent. Then, you need to wash your clothes and let them dry in the sun. Ladies, this means that you should try these amazing tricks and get ready to be amazed by the results.